Hello everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Zero Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is known as Our Tree. It is from the NCERT report, Class 1, Chapter 12, subject is English, and the name of the innovation that I will be using today for covering this lesson is known as naming method. The innovation behind using this idea is to bring the ritual of naming into learning methodology. And with the help of this innovation, we make the students understand the concepts that have been taught in the lesson in a much more fun and interesting way by changing the actual name with the allotted names. The concepts that we will be revising with the help of this innovation are naming words, action words, and describing words. The duration for this activity will be 20 minutes. So how are we going to implement this naming method? So let's get an overview of it. Suppose we want to make the students understand about a concept, about the different things that are available around us. So in the class, we first change the names of the students, say to chair, table, pencil. The students will be allotted these three names. After 2 days, we select the names in such a way that more information can be added to it later on. So after 2 days, we add more information to it. So the chair will become blue chair. Table can become study table, and pencil can become long pencil. And the rest of the students will be asked to call each other by the name that is written there. And the students will be allotted that name and will be asked to put that paper slip stick to the shirt. Say, for example, for the lesson Our Tree, we instruct the students first of all that they will be given certain names from the chapter, and they will have to call each other by the name that is given to them. And not only that, they will be also sticking out the piece of paper in which we will write the name into the shirt. So for example, in this lesson we can take the names of bird, tree, song, ants, bird flying, and legs. So we allot these names to the students, and we ask the students to call each other by the allotted names throughout the whole duration, throughout the whole class. After 2 days, when the students will get used to these names, we add more information to it. Say, for example, the ones which we have used, the information that we can add are little bird, fruit tree, bird song, crawling ants, birds flying tall, and tiny legs. We add this information to the students, and then we ask the students to call each other by the allotted name. And also, the students will be, although even though they are not calling each other, everyone by the names, but they will be seeing the names throughout the day in front of their eyes when it will be stitched to the shirt. And if the students want, they can add more information to it. So that is all about naming method. And when we start using this naming method into our learning pedagogy, we get a lot of benefits. First of all, we are not only converting the whole revision period into a fun and interesting one, but also we are creating a self-learning environment among the students. Secondly, the students, after while they keep on looking at the words, the sentences that are written there in that sheet of paper, they will also in turn learn about simple sentences in English. They will learn to say simple sentences in English. And also, when we will be allotting different names, allotting random names to the students, they will learn the value of equal distribution and fairness among the students, maintaining equality among the people. Along with this, they will also be developing the critical thinking and the decision making process. And it's a very interesting way of revising the concepts. And one very key important point to note here is that before implementing the innovation naming method, we should have already completed the reading, building, and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. So for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share and subscribe to our official channel ZIIEI. And also don't forget to download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Thank you.